Hi, and welcome to Happy Kitty Kitchen. Today I'm sharing my no-fry chicken nuggies. And this is a recipe that I came up with 5 years ago. And of course, I kept developing it until it reached the perfect flavor for me. And these are only meant to be air-fried or baked in an oven. They will not fry well in oil. I mean, you could try, but the coating will just fall off and it will be a mess because I tried it. So starting out, we're going to cut some boneless chicken breasts into similar sized pieces. I like a size I can eat within 1 or 2 bites, and I avoid making it any bigger or any smaller. Now, for the marinade, which is also the batter mixture, I'm mixing in yogurt, labnah, garlic flavored hot sauce. I'll mix it all up and proceed to season with 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon celery salt, 1.5 teaspoon paprika, 1 teaspoon dried basil, 1 teaspoon dried oregano, 2 teaspoons salt, 1 teaspoon onion powder, 1/4 of a teaspoon of black pepper powder, and just a tiny splash of olive oil to smooth out the mixture and mix it all up really well before adding in my chicken pieces. I'm gonna let this marinate for a minimum of 30 minutes or 1 hour as I prepare my coating mix. In a bowl, add in 1.5 cup of breadcrumbs and 1 cup of panko crumbs for that extra crunch. But of course, we must season this too because we want those chicken pieces to be bursting with flavor. You can basically add in the same seasonings as the one in the marinade, but I did some minor changes here. 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon salt, 3 teaspoons paprika powder, 2 teaspoons onion powder, 2 teaspoons oregano, 1 teaspoon dried parsley, 1 teaspoon cayenne chili pepper powder, and I'm gonna mix it all up really well and just start with coating 1 piece of chicken and cooking it, which will take only about 15 minutes. And I do that because I want to do a quick taste test. So for example, if the coating needs a bit of salt, I still have a chance to make some changes instead of coating all the pieces of chicken, then regretting not adding more salt later on. If the flavor is good, go ahead and coat all the rest of the chicken pieces, then place them individually and separately on a cooking pan, then freeze them that way. And after you have each one frozen individually, you can put them all in a Ziploc bag with the date on them and place them back in the freezer. That way, you have chicken nuggets that you can throw in the air fryer or oven, and in only 15 to 18 minutes and minimal work in the kitchen, it's going to be ready to be eaten. This is great for when you want to make a quick lunch or dinner but really don't have the energy or time, so you just pop them in the air fryer or oven and it's going to be ready in under 20 minutes. It's not deep fried, so it's much healthier, and it's nice and juicy on the inside and so crispy on the outside. Hope you liked this video. Please give us a like and subscribe if you did, and as usual, have a great day from Happy Kitty Kitchen. Bye!